Hi, welcome back to Automotive Solutions. Today I've got what is becoming a bit of an issue, and that's rear aircon. So I've had a few in a row now of vehicles with the air conditioning at the back, rear evaporator unit, and mainly the problems I'm having are the pipes running front to rear. So this is just another one. I'm going to show you what's happened here. A little bit of history on this. This is a Hyundai Santa Fe 2006, and it's had a condenser about 4 years ago and fine up until last year when I looked at it, and it was low on gas. I went over and over and over the system. I could not find a leak anywhere, so I regassed it and it's been fine up until the recent hot weather. It's just not performing right. So I'm having a look at it today, and I've recovered 250 grams. It holds 800, so it's pretty well down, but it's not empty, so it's not a big leak, but it's definitely gone somewhere. That's 2 years in a row now, so I'm determined to find it this year. So I'll just show you what I've found on this one. I'll start with what we've got here. I've been doing a pressure test for an hour and nearly an hour and 20 minutes, doing 160 odd psi. And it's actually increased by 0.3 of a psi in that whole time. We've had a slight increase in temperature. The sun's come out in the garage here, and yeah, it's actually increased in pressure by 0.3 of a psi. So it's literally a negligible leak. Cannot find anything just from looking over it. So I started doing a little bit of digging and poking, and went up to the rear. I poked my sniffer in the rear wheel arch, and I've got a reading. So I've taken the wheel arch liner off, got that off, and we're in the rear wheel arch area. Up there is the connections into the rear evaporator unit. I'll get the camera to work on that. There you go. And then we'll follow these pipes down, and I've got a suspect area here, very slight little bit of dirt there, but that's in the arch area, so that could just be road dust. As you can see, you know, it's full of dust in here and rubbish. So anyway, back to this, and we've got this area here. So anywhere it goes through, connections, always good source for checking for leaks. So sniffer in there, tried all around there, joined, and nothing. Up and down. When we get to here, you can hear that the sniffer's going mad. Come away. Just let it calm down. Wow, really has gone mad. Nearly back to normal. Don't know what's affected that. Right, back to normal. So yeah, in this area here, wow, considering it's not lost any gas, it's really picking it up. So it's there, and if I come up to the top of this as well, I was getting it here as well. Doesn't seem to be picking it up now, but I was getting a reading up here as well. No, not happening now. Go along here, nothing. Get down to the bottom of that tape, and there you go, it goes off. A bit of light on there. Yeah, so out here we're picking it up, but when you look closely at this, I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but this tape, really smooth here, really smooth. Here it's all lumps and bumps. So what I'm pretty sure is happening is underneath this tape, the aluminium pipe is corroding and the gas is creeping out around this joint here. That's pretty sure what's going on here. Now, unfortunately for this guy, these pipes here go all the way down and they disappear the length of the cart and join underneath the front subframe. So they're about 6 foot, 7 foot long. And the problem with that is they're quite expensive. You can only buy them as a pair, and they are 400, just over £400 for a pair of pipes. And I haven't got anything that I can repair this section in these bends with. So you've either got to find someone who can do that or shell out for the pipes. So a bit of an expensive repair. I just thought I'd try the AccuTrack on it, the ultrasonic detector, and you put it right on there and nothing, not a thing. Yet there's obviously gas escaping. So different tools, some are better in some circumstances, some are better than others. Doesn't pick up at all. And I'll go with the bubble spray and see if that does anything. Oh, and there we go. So my theory is right about the gas coming out from around this join. You can see that there bubbling away, and I'm sure that will probably pick. Now that's bubbling, it's creating some ultrasonic waves, so yeah, it picks up the bubbles, but without the bubbles it didn't pick anything up, which is quite unusual. It's normally good at picking up escaping gas. So yeah, add this one to the list of rear aircon jobs that have happened lately. They seem to be very prone to, particularly this rear wheel arch area where the bends are, and obviously the dust and dirt gets thrown at it and the salt from the road. So there we go. So see what happens with this, whether it gets repaired or not. And thanks very much for watching. If you like this, give us a like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll have some more. So thanks again. Bye for now.